All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the Power Probe Temp Kit. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not sponsored by Power Probe, but this little device is pretty dang cool. It comes as a head and a remote sensor that clips from the side. It's hooked wirelessly to the tool and allows you to read temperatures ambient as well as out of the vent. As you can see right now, we're almost 95 degrees in here. Now the nice thing about this is you have the option of buying a second sensor. What it allows you to do with the second sensor, especially nowadays with dual climate controls and rear and front AC, we're getting hit with a lot of complaints. You know, the passenger side's not as cold as the driver's side, and we're having to use we're either using an old-fashioned stick it in the vent needle gauge or electronic, might be pulling out the infrared. This allows you to check in several different spots, including rear AC, be able to monitor it from the driver's seat. You know, maybe you got a complaint of going down the road and it changes temperature, something like that. It allows you to remotely monitor. Very cool stuff. With those dual climate controls, rear AC, you can monitor it going down the road. You can look at the sensor and go, oh, rear AC just dropped out. What's going on? Or, passenger side just went from full cold to full hot. Without having to stick your hand over there or, try to position the gauge so you can see it because it rolled while you're driving. These clip into the vents and allow you to monitor pretty much, multiple sides of the vehicle. Comes in really handy. And for you European guys, it comes in Celsius. The rest of the world. You got a backlight if you're trying to, see it in a dark console, something like that. Now, one thing that kind of is irritating is the head takes AA batteries and the sensors take AAAs. So just be aware, you're going to need batteries, and they do not come with it. So if you're going to buy one of these, make sure you got batteries. But other than that, it's a really handy tool. Comes in really handy with modern ACs. Instead of dragging a infrared temp gun on the road when you're trying to see if the passenger side drops out and go hold it over there and go, a little easier. So, hope you like this review. Again, not a sponsored video, but Power Probe, if you want to sponsor me, I'll be happy to be sponsored. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Chances are number 2 is probably on back order again, so just be aware. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.